How's it going, guys? This is Cinematic Comment, which talks about anything and everything related to the MCU. In my last few videos, I've been focusing on past movies and events of the MCU, so I thought of doing something a little different this time. Not that I can't talk about the past movies because I love them 3000 and
I can do this all day.
Yeah, I know.
thank you, Cap. We've all witnessed the best cinematic experience over the course of the past 23 movies, and it really is a testament to how amazing Marvel is when you realize that there are still so many stories left to tell. Personally, I don't think I can ever get thrilled to the level that I already have with the conclusion of Avengers Endgame, but that doesn't mean I won't be looking forward to any and every MCU content which comes up in the future. One such thing is the story of our very own Spider-Man. Spidey first swung his way into the action in the airport battle scene of Civil War, and I've been completely sold on Tom Holland's portrayal of Spider-Man since then. So, what does the future look like? In terms of story, it looks incredibly bright right now. For Peter Parker, ever since Mysterio revealed his identity as Spider-Man, things don't look so good.
Spider-Man's real name is... Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker! What the...
Unless, of course, they can figure out a way to convince the public that this is false. I wonder how they can do that. See, that is already one thing to look forward to, just like that. My friend sent me an Instagram post the other day about there being rumors of how Marvel plans to play out Peter's entire journey from high school to adult life in the MCU. And that is some great news. For those of you who've played the PS4 game, I wish to see our Spidey story play out in a similar way. And I have no doubts that Marvel and Sony are going to do an incredible job with that. We'll see the organic growth of Peter Parker, who's already gone through so much in the MCU, especially after the events of Avengers Endgame, and some classic Spidey things that we haven't already seen, such as the inspirational "with great power comes great responsibility" quote. When I was going through some MCU content online, I realized that we've already seen a different version of it already.
Look, when you can do the things that I can, but you don't, and then the bad things happen, they happen because of you.
But I'm sure all of us want to hear the original dialogue as well. It's definitely on the way with some potential flashback scenes with Uncle Ben as well. The upcoming movies will also give the opportunity to explore the relationship between Zendaya's MJ and Peter. It'll be really interesting to see how it plays out, considering how well their relationship was received by the audience. We also got to see the unthinkable when we got J.K. Simmons to play J. Jonah Jameson again in what was one of the best MCU post-credit scenes ever.
But that's not all, folks. Here's the real blockbuster. Brace yourselves.
This adds another dimension to Peter's story as well, and I'm looking forward to the banter between him and Spidey in the future. I'm not too sure about whether the MCU can use the characters of Norman and Harry Osborn in their movies, but if they can, we all know that it's just a matter of when and not if when they show up. Also, we are already seeing a gradual build-up to the Sinister Six in what will be the first time we get to see Spidey face off the entire Sinister Six on screen. Personally, I think there's still time for that, but when it does eventually happen, you can be rest assured that it will be epic. I think the stars are lining up pretty well for an amazing arc for Tom Holland's Spider-Man, and don't forget, that's man with a hyphen. As we've already seen, the MCU loves to give us these small hints here and there, which eventually have tremendous payoffs. So we can all relax and let them do their thing and amaze us all as usual. If only we could get Charlie Cox's Daredevil to interact with him. For the next movie, I think the most interesting thing to look forward to will be the aftermath of Peter's identity reveal and whether he can work his way around that, or if he just got an enormous target on his back because of the same.
Relax. This, it's not on you. It's on our little spider friend. I've got some boys on the outside who would love to meet him. And I heard a rumor. You know who he is.
If you ask me, they'll work it out because it's way too soon for his identity to be revealed for good. But yeah, this will raise a lot of suspicion for sure. Unless they can pull a Men in Black and make the entire world forget that Peter's Spidey. Too easy? I thought as much. So there you have it, guys, my 2 cents on why you should be excited for what's in store for Spidey. Just making this video is making me extremely excited to see how it all plays out. I really hope you guys are excited too. Let me know what you think of Spidey's potential story in the comment section below and what you would personally love to see. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I shall see you guys soon, and until then, remember to aim for the moon, because even if you miss, you land among the stars.